Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to enable or turn on the narrator in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is we need to open the settings. Now to open that easily, just simply press Windows and I key together. And in that moment, you have just successfully opened your settings. You just have to wait until it will appear in our screen. Okay, so now it is. So the moment you have opened your settings, proceed to the left side of your screen and it has this list of the options. Now here you need to look for accessibility, which is next to gaming. Tap on that once you have selected it. And here proceed to the vision category and the very last of it has this narrator, which what we are looking for. Tap that to continue. Okay, so here it has this use narrator, narrator's voice as well. Now go with the use narrator first, and in order to enable that, simply click this to turn it on. Okay, so in that manner, you have just successfully turned on the narrator in your Windows or computer. Okay, now to check if how this narrator works in our computer, then simply click this down arrow aligning the narrator home. Okay, so now it is now starting to work in our computer. Now to check the open narrator home, okay, click on that. So it's like narrating our steps or what we have just performed in our Windows or computer. So here it will also works. This is how it works. Okay, so it actually read the text and narrate what you have just performed or clicked in your Windows or computer. So it describes and read aloud actually so what you have just done in your Windows or computer. Okay? So here you can also select the narrator's voice. You can also choose a voice. You can simply click this down arrow here and in this manner you can actually choose what voice would you like to hear. You can go with United States English once again, Germany, Australia, and German and more. Okay. You can also add a natural voice and add legal voices. Okay. So that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.